AI in action for manufacturing. AI is no longer a future promise, it's transforming manufacturing today. Custom AI-powered chatbots give workers easy access to technical manuals and maintenance logs. Need to review a 50-page contract? Let AI validate compliance with legal standards in seconds, not hours. AI-driven forecasting models help you anticipate market trends, reduce waste, and make smarter, faster business decisions. With AI Vision, parts are inspected in real time. Defects are flagged instantly, keeping quality high and downtime low. Legacy paperwork? No problem. AI digitizes and routes it into your ERP, creating a seamless bridge between old and new. AI ensures safety compliance by monitoring equipment usage before accidents happen. AI in manufacturing. See it in action. Join us for our Zorbix webinar series.